Your glue is one of the most important products that you need to make sure you attach your lash extensions properly and they last quite some time. So if you're serious about turning this into something real, not just a side hustle, but a booked out lash business, I'm opening up just a few mentorship spots this month. I only take people who are ready to commit. Apply using the form down below. I love to hear your story. Let's say I'm lashing and I'm using a sticky pad. If I dip my lash into my glue and I take it from here, from the glue to the eye, you see the distance that I have to travel to get it to the natural lash. By that time, if I'm not fast enough, my glue has dried already. As to why I like the glue ring, because you have it right here next to your client's face. There's a huge difference when you're working with a glue ring and a sticky pad. So it just really depends on your speed. If you're on the slower side, I recommend you a glue ring. That way your glue doesn't dry out on you by the time you reach your natural lash. So you gotta pick your option and which one works best for you as an artist. Try both and see which one you like as well. And this is the glue that I personally use. This is from London Lash. It's the Lady Bond. This one is a great adhesive. It's kind of fast drying, but at the same time it gives you enough time to place it, but not enough time if you're a beginner. So this one's a little bit more for an advanced artist and an environment that is very humid. I would recommend this one. But if your environment is not humid and it's a little bit drier, I would recommend other ones from them. But this brand personally has been really good to me and I love their products. As always, remember to always shake your glue before you start dispersing a drop. So you're gonna shake it, make sure you hear the little noise, 30 to 60 seconds. Open it, should be nice and clean. Always have your lint-free wipes next to you. And you're gonna place a little dome drop onto your sticky pad. So you see how it's like a little dome ball? That's the perfect amount of glue. You don't need any more than that for the time being. In order to use and keep your glue safe and have it in its proper environment, it's important to store it in an airtight container like this one. I can't open it just on its own. I have to press this button and then it opens. Here's how it looks inside. It just basically covers it from moisture and light exposure and stuff like that. Remember, you store your glue before and after each use. You always want to have it in here, right next to your station, like so. The eye absorbs fumes just like the nose. If their eyes were slightly open, the fumes could cause redness and discomfort. To avoid reactions from adhesive fumes, fan the lashes thoroughly for at least 1 to 2 minutes after application to disperse fumes. If irritation occurs, use water to rinse the eyes and apply eye drops to soothe them. A handheld-free fan is a great addition to your toolkit. This fan allows lashes to dry while you continue with other tasks, saving you time and effort. I don't gatekeep in my mentorship program. I show you exactly how I got booked, built a brand, and turned this into my full-time income. If that is your goal, apply in the description down below.